Hello everyone, this is Casey from WebBuddy. So in this very short tutorial, I just want to share with you why sometimes when you are inside the WordPress dashboard and you couldn't find appearance menu. Okay, so what you can see here under appearance is there are only two options, themes and editor. That's because the theme that I've installed in this website is known as a FSE theme, which means full site editing. So if the theme is a FSE theme, then you won't see any appearance menu. So this is how it works. So instead, if you want to change the menu information, you can go to editor. I will link to another more detailed video on how you can do editing in the navigation. But once you click on the editor, you can see there's a navigation option here. You click on navigation, and this is where you can do some simple adjustment to your navigation. You can scroll around by clicking edit, then you can reorder or you can edit in more detail. So I'll just link to another video that I've done so that you can refer and do more advanced editing to the navigation in the website. Okay, so I hope that this video addressed the issue of why sometimes you couldn't find appearance menu in your dashboard. It's not because any plugin conflict or it's not because of any errors in the website. It's because the theme that you are using is FSE theme. If it's normal theme, then you will be able to see the menu appearing here. Okay, so if you have any questions, feel free to post in the questions area below. If not, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.